Good afternoon. This is MS 111812. Just letting you know what happened today with my house repair. So, I talked to the contractor and he told me that the guys did not come in today because he pulled them out to get some materials. Interesting. And I also called the admin and talked to one of the administrators there and asked him to get the engineer to go down here and check everything. Because when I talked to the contractor about the electrical installations, he said, well, that's not his problem. The engineer did not coordinate with him. So I am surprised that there's lack of communication and coordination between the engineer and the contractor. Now, I requested the administrator to look into this as soon as possible because it's very inconvenient for us really, with dust around and the electrical fittings not properly done. We are afraid that this can cause an electric fire. It's very dangerous, especially during hot days. So this is just an update to let you know what happened today. Nothing really, there was no activity in the repair, and we are waiting for tomorrow to see what happens, and hopefully the engineer should be here later this afternoon. I mean, that's what the administrator told me, that he's going to get to the engineer and ask her to come and check it out. So guys, thank you for listening. Please hit the like and share button if you want to help those homeowners who have been put into so many inconveniences due to this substandard house that has been turned over to us. Thank you and see you again. Bye-bye.